Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Grindr account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grindr application. Here, click on the sign up option in the top right corner. Now click on the next button in order to agree with the terms and policies. Tap on the accept option. Here, tap on the next button once again. Then tap on accept option. Now you'll have to enter your date of birth. Also, you'll have to keep in mind that you must be 18 or older to use Grindr. Tap on the next button. Here, you'll have to enter your email address and password. Or you can also use your Facebook or Google account in order to create an account. Here I'm gonna use my email address. Now enter your password, and your password must be of minimum 8 characters. Here, if you want Grindr to send you occasional emails regarding your account, subscription and special offers, then check the box. And if you don't want it, then uncheck the box. Now tap on Create Account option. Here you'll have to enter your mobile number in order to verify your account. Tap on Send Code option. Here you'll have to enter the 6-digit code that was sent to your number. Tap on the Verify option. And here you can see that your account has been verified. And that is how you can create a Grindr account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.